Warning. The following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental.
They thought he would never make videos in the rain. They thought wrong. This summer/winter, I show you my new rear diffuser. And this is it. Isn't it amazing? Oh, wait, hang on. Is this the new one or the old one? Let's see what's actually installed in the car. Oh, this is a big difference. Yeah, as you can tell, the new one from Rieger is far more aggressive and far more sporty looking. The old one is just so dull. And worse than that, it's almost the same color as the car. I think we can all agree it looks good, but it has a flaw, a major flaw. It doesn't have, or rather, it obscures access to the vehicle's rear recovery point. So you better not break down, or you better not need it.
No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.